Happy birthday, Pastor Butch! Happy birthday, Pastor Butch! Happy birthday, Chris! Happy birthday, Chris!
Got your bug, got the fever. Can't stop thinking about you every day.
Age above 50 is not getting older. It's about getting you leveling up. Live the life God intended you to live and lead your family. That is the most precious gift you can give back to Him.
They say na life begins at 50. So technically, you are just getting started, which is great. Kayang-kaya pang masundan sa sky. Agree po ba kayo?
Dedication for my soul.
Got to stay all night. Give me that loving, baby, and stay all night. Got to stay with me, baby. Stay. Stay all night.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Sa pagpasok mo sa 50 years ay pasimula pa lang. Ang panalangin ko higit pang pagpapala sa iyong karir, ang iyong maranasan, maabot kahit mahirap. No, meron tayong yurik, maabot mo pa yung iyong mga naisin sa buhay. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Sana patuloy kang maging matulungin sa kapwa, maging masaya lagi. Panalihin ng Panginoon ang iyong kalusugan kasama ng iyong pamilya. Sana wag kang magbago, pre. At alam ko namang hindi ka magbabago. Happy birthday, pre.
I've known Chris for being generous, selfless, and a God-fearing person. As you mark your golden years of existence in this world, I wish you more blessings in both personal and professional life, good health, and all the happiness you deserve. May we continue our fruitful business partnership. Last but not the least, padayon lang.
You always reminding us kung gaano kabuti ang Lord sa buhay natin, how big and powerful He is. Kuya, hindi man namin madala sabihin sa'yo, but we love you. Mahal kita. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, sobrang grateful kami sa Lord sa buhay mo. At ang aming dalangin lang ay palagi kang masaya. Kung ano man yung need mo sa buhay, kung ano man yung dinideserve mo, kasama kaming nananalangin na ipagkaloob sa'yo ng Panginoon.
Ang panalangin ko sa ating Panginoon, patuloy kang bigyan ng malusog na pangangatawan, all happiness and continued success in your career. And syempre, tumanda tayo na magkasabay kapiling ng ating mga anak. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy, at sana na-enjoy mo ang gabing ito, ang iyong celebration. At dahil alam ko, deserve mo na magkaroon ng best. Dahil alam ko din kung gaano mo pinaghirapan kung anong meron tayo. Pero dahil sa biyaya at kabutihan ng Panginoon, nandito tayo, nagdiriwang kasama ng ating mga kaibigan, ng ating pamilya. At nakapalibot sa atin. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday.
This is where lahat na inimbitahan ko, inimbitahan ni Mrs. pala, special sa akin. No? All of you guys are so special. Okay, that's why you're here. Thank you so much.
Ready for it all.